I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Trustgrid demo and install a few agents and have them talk to each other with ping and HTTP traffic in just a few minutes. We're going to start a free trial and give a valid email address, first name, last name, a good password, and a little bit of information about ourselves. So here's Trustgrid, and we'll play with remote data. After signing up, we'll need to go verify our email address. You'll receive an email with a link. You can copy and paste the link or just click it from your email. And once that's done, we'll set up MFA. You can use any one-time password sort of application for this, like 1Password or Authy or Google Authenticator. After we create our account, we'll need to set up a domain. The domain will be the FQDN suffix for all devices that we create. And now we can add our first agent. So we're just going to name it Agent 1. Not very creative, but it should be enough to get us going. And here you'll see that we get a token and some scripts we can run to get the agent working. I've set up 2 Vagrant machines, so I'm just going to host one agent in each machine so that we can see them communicate to each other. And since that first agent is installing, I might as well get the second one going. You can already see the first agent showing up. It's got the red exclamation point next to it because it hasn't yet connected to our control plane, but it will in just a second. And then the devices will periodically heartbeat up to the control plane, which allows us to report and alert on their status. So we can see both agents got installed, and now we're going to refresh and see that both of them are online and there. And then I've decided to make the windows a little bit bigger so you can see everything that we're going to do at once. So once you install the agent, the devices get a Trustgrid IP address in the CGNAT space, so 100.64.0.x. And then here you can see that just with those new IP addresses they can ping each other. And because Agent 2, I installed Nginx on it, I can breach it from Agent 1 and show HTTP traffic. And that's it. In under 3 minutes, we have our devices talking to each other. They could be anywhere in the world, and using these private IP addresses can talk to each other.